video is about polygons and exterior angles. Before we continue, we all should know about polygons. What are polygons? So polygons are two-dimensional, which are also known as 2D shapes. They are made of straight lines and the shape is closed, and all the lines connect up, which means the shape is closed. So as you can see some examples here, this shape is made up of straight lines, and it is closed from all the corners. This shape is closed, but you see there are no straight lines here. This one is a curve, so it's not a polygon. This one is made up of all the straight lines, but this one is not closed, so this one is not a polygon. So to be a polygon, all lines must be straight and the shape must be closed. Okay, let's see some other examples. So as you can see here, these two shapes are polygons because they are made up of straight lines and they're closed. Straight lines, closed. And these shapes are not polygons because this one is closed but it does not have straight lines. This one is a curve, it's not a straight line. And this one has only straight lines but it's not closed. So these two are not polygons. Then there are two types of polygons: regular polygons or irregular polygons. So regular polygons are the ones which are made of equal lines and equal angles. They all have same length of lines. So as you can see, let's sort them out. So this one I can see three equal lines. So this one is regular, this one is irregular. I think this one is smaller, this side is shorter. This one is a regular one, this one is irregular. This one is regular, all sides are equal. This one is regular, all sides are equal. This one is regular, I think this one is a square. This looks regular, this looks regular, this looks irregular, 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 irregular again, and this one looks regular shape. So regular shapes have all sides equal and angles as well. And unequal sides, obviously unequal angles and angles. Okay, let's know more about polygons. Okay, name of these polygons. So they are named after the number of sides. But see, as you can see, 3 sides. 3 means 3. The prefix for 3 is tri. So this one is triangle. For 4, it's quadrilateral. Then all other names are similar from 5 to 10. So 5 is pentagon. 6 is hexagon. 7 is heptagon. 8 is octagon. 9 is not mentioned here, but it's nonagon. And 10 is decagon. And 12 is dodecagon. A regular polygon has equal sides and angles, as I have told you before. So now we know the names. Let's continue to know about external angles of polygons. So the angles extended outside the polygons are known as external or exterior angles. Okay, so exterior and interior. Interiors are the ones inside the polygon. So whenever you add all the exterior angles in any polygon, doesn't matter how many sides it has got, so it can be 3-sided, a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, doesn't matter what shape you have, they always add up to 360. So the sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. Okay, so if you want to know the exterior angle of inside polygon, so you can easily find out if it's a regular shape. We will discuss the formula in like after some questions. Let's move on to some questions now. Okay, so let's figure out how much is the missing exterior angle here in this question number 1. Let's see, this one is the missing one. So what we need to do, we know they all add up to 360. So first we need to add whatever angles are given to us: 73, 102, 67 and 88. We will add them together. So they all add up to 330, and we know that all of these and A, the one missing, They all together make 360. So to find how much is A, we have to subtract 330 from 360, and we'll figure out that A is 30 degree. So this one is 30 degree. Same thing with this one. To find X, first we need to add all these three angles, which is 100 degree plus 97 plus 38, which will give us 235. And now we see that this angle plus 235 together should give us 360. So to figure out how much is X, we'll minus 235 from 360, and we will get 125. So the value of X here is 125. Let's do the same thing with the third one. This one is missing. We know we add these two and the question and this angle 4 together, this will give us, let's call it X, this will give us 360 degree. So let's add 123 with 92, it will give us 5, 11, 215. So we know X plus 215 will give us 360. So cancel this from here and minus 215. This is actually one step equations. To isolate your X, whatever is extra with X, you have to do the opposite. So plus 205 opposite is minus 205, 15, sorry, minus 215 from both sides. This side cancels each other and we are left with this one. So 360 minus 215 will give us 145. So this one is 145 degree. Let's see some other type of questions after it. So this question will use more of equations. Let's see how. So we have like 2x and 3x and 71 and 44 and 85, and we know they all add up to 360 because it's always 360 degree exterior angles. So we will add the like terms. So 2x and 3x together will give us 5x, and 71, 44 and 85 together will give us 200, which is equal to 360. This thing now looks like a two-step equations. If you want to know more about two-step equations, you will find the link in the description. You can have a look of the video of two-step equations and understand how it works. So we have to isolate our X. So whatever is extra with X, we have to do the opposite. So first we'll deal with this plus 200. The opposite is minus 200. Minus 200 on both sides. This is gone. 5x is equal to 160. Now we have 5 times x. Opposite of 5 times is divide by 5. Divide by 5. 5 cancels 5. X is 160 divided by 5, which will give us 32. So x is 32 degree. So this one is 2x. So 32 times 2 will give us 64. This one is 64 degree and this one is 3x, so this is 3 times 32, so this is 96 degree. This is how we find the angles with x's. Okay, now let's do one more type of question, similar question. So in this question they are saying the exterior angles of a hexagon are x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 3x and 2x. There are no values given, but we know they all are x's, so it's easy to solve. We know they all add up to 360, so let's do that. I think I have all of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, they all add up to 360. So let's add them together. Well, x alone is actually 1x. So 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. They all together are 15x equal to 360. Divide both sides by 15 to isolate our x. 15 cancel 15. X is 360. Divide by 15, which is 24. So the value of x is 24. So this one is 24 degree. This one is 24 times 2, 48, times 3, times 4, times 3, and times 2. This is how we find the value of x in exterior angles. Okay, let's do the last type of questions now. Okay, so these are the last type of questions, very important. But before we do these questions, we should see these formulas. If you are looking for number of sides, okay, and each exterior angle is given to you, you use this formula. To find the number of sides, you do 360 divide by each exterior angle. And if you're looking for each exterior angle and number of sides are given to you, you will do the same thing. So each exterior angle is equal to 360 divided by number of sides. And this is how you will find your answer in these two questions. So this question is: a regular polygon has 4 sides. What is the size of each exterior angle? So to know the size of each exterior angle, you should do 360 divided by number of sides. So 360 divided by 4 gives you 90. So each exterior angle is 90 degree. Now if an exterior angle of a regular polygon is 36 degree, how many sides does the polygon have? So to know the number of sides, 360 degree divided by the each exterior angle. And this only happens with regular polygons, remember. These formulas already works with regular polygons whenever you're dealing with the regular polygons. So 360 degree divided by 36 will give you 10. So there are 10 sides in that polygon, or 10 exterior angles. I hope this video will help you with exterior angles and polygons. In case if you want to know something else, you can write in the comment. Have a nice day.